Welcome to Domino English Lessons. Welcome to Domino English Lessons, where we learn English through real conversations. In this lesson, you'll hear a conversation about summer holidays and the fun activities people enjoy during their break. Now, let's watch Talking About Summer Holidays.
Hi Simra, are you excited for the summer holidays? Yes, I am. I usually go to the beach. That sounds fun. Don't forget to take sunscreen. Oh, I don't have a sunscreen, but I will buy one. Do you go alone or with your family? I go with my family. What do you do at the beach? I swim in the sea, play volleyball, and read book. I don't use phone much when I am there. Who do you meet there? I meet my friends and sometimes make new friends too. Why do you enjoy summer holidays so much? Because I can relax, have fun, and spend time with my family. I wish I could go to the beach this summer too. You should. It's really refreshing and fun.